In a world where opportunities abound, have you ever wondered about the most lucrative side hustle powered by the cutting-edge technology in 2024? What if I told you that AI has unlocked a goldmine for those seeking not just a side hustle, but a game-changing venture? Today we're delving into the realm of AI's most profitable side hustle, a journey where innovation meets income. Let's dive in. Step 1. Exploring similar content. You're about to embark on a journey to unlock the potential of the most profitable AI side hustle. Begin by crafting a text prompt and feeding it into NVIDIA AI's Video Maker. This powerful tool will take your prompt and seamlessly transform it into a fully fledged video. The best part? You can always add your personal touch to it later in the editing process. Now, before you jump into content creation, it's essential to understand what types of faceless videos resonate with viewers. Dive into the secrets of successful faceless YouTube channels by examining real examples. One standout is Right Side, boasting 44 million subscribers and $174,000 in monthly earnings. Their formula involves using basic text, stock footage, and potentially even AI voices. Delve deeper into the winning formula by exploring another successful channel, On Point Fresh, with 480,000 subscribers and monthly earnings surpassing $11,000. Uncover how they leverage AI-generated voices, stock footage, and minimalistic text to create compelling content. The recent advancements in AI-generated voices make narration sound nearly indistinguishable from human voices, a valuable asset for your YouTube side hustle. Step 2. Utilizing AI. Let's dive into the essential tools for your AI-powered YouTube side hustle. I'm utilizing a GPT from the official ChatGPT store, a recently launched tool known as Video Maker by NVIDIA. To access this tool, you'll need a ChatGPT Plus plan, but if you're not keen on subscribing, there's an alternative. Instead of using ChatGPT, head directly to NVIDIA AI using the link provided in the description or pinned comment. Sign up for free using Google, Apple, or your email. Now let's get down to the nitty-gritty of creating videos. Whether you're in ChatGPT or NVIDIA AI's interface, kickstart the process by typing in a simple prompt. Suppose, for example, you want to make a video similar to the successful channel Right Side, focusing on the benefits of drinking water. Returning to ChatGPT, let's enhance our original prompt. Create a YouTube video about the benefits of drinking water. We'll add more specifics, like keeping the language simple, ensuring the video is at least 10 minutes long, incorporating uplifting background music, and occasionally adding subtitles for facts. These additional details provide the AI with a clearer picture, promising more refined and effective results. Let's explore another powerful aspect of this AI tool: the ability to reference news articles or different websites. Within your prompt, you can instruct the AI to pull information from specific resources. For instance, you could enhance your prompt by adding a sentence like, "Consider this blog article," and including a link to a relevant source. Remember, you're not asking the AI to copy the article verbatim, but to use facts from it. The AI will then generate a video based on this refined prompt, providing you with a link to view the results. Step 3. Customization. Now let's explore the generated video discussing how water acts as a natural energy booster by delivering oxygen to our cells, proven to be effective on platforms like YouTube. Should you wish to infuse your personal touch, head to NVIDIA AI's edit box after signing up for a free account. Clicking the edit button opens a window for various editing options. If you want to replace an AI-selected clip, visit a site like pixels.com, download a relevant free video, return to the NVIDIA AI editor, and swap the clip seamlessly. Remember, this process extends beyond videos to include images. Free resources abound, offering a diverse range of visuals for creative freedom in enhancing your AI-generated content. Step 4. Editing the voiceover. Another way to tweak your video is by clicking Edit Script at the top. This allows you to edit the script generated by the AI directly. For instance, if you wish to modify a specific part, make the changes and apply them. The AI will then automatically regenerate the video, incorporating the modifications made to the script. Suppose everything else is satisfactory, but you want to alter the music or perhaps change the voiceover. In that case, you can click down here, type in a new prompt, and describe the changes you desire. For example, if you want a different voiceover, input something like, "Change the voiceover to a British accent." Hit generate, and after a few seconds, the AI will regenerate the video with the requested British accent. Alternatively, you can mute or remove the AI voice entirely, leaving room for you to record your voice. While the AI generates realistic-sounding voices, this option allows you to infuse your personal touch by adding your voice if desired. Now, before we dive deeper into the world of content creation, let's take a moment to connect. If you're finding value in this journey, don't forget to hit that like button. It fuels our motivation to keep bringing you valuable insights. By doing so, you're not just staying updated on our latest content, you're becoming a crucial part of this dynamic space. And hey, after this video, explore more on Pivot Online. There's a treasure trove of knowledge waiting for you. Now, let's get back to the video. Step 5. Packaging your video. Now let's delve into NVIDIA AI's versatility by generating a motivational video catering to diverse channels such as health and motivation. These channels, known for attracting views and generating income, highlight the importance of effective video packaging through compelling titles and thumbnails. Randomly creating titles and thumbnails won't suffice. The key is research. Identify your faceless YouTube channel's niche, whether aligned with showcase channels or falling into niches like travel, self-tour, motivation, or meditation. Crafting titles and thumbnails requires a unique approach for each niche, ensuring your content stands out. While it's impossible to cover every faceless YouTube niche, we'll delve into a couple to provide insights, guiding you in tailoring your approach for effective packaging moving forward. Step 6. Making your title. Let's delve into the infographic and information niche, exemplified by channels like Brightside, Be Smart, and Minute Physics. Analyzing their commonalities in titles and thumbnails provides valuable insights. First and foremost, these channels rarely use real people in thumbnails. Instead, they opt for text combined with imagery, often in the form of cartoons, depicting the video's content. In terms of titles, they frequently employ listicle formats such as 7 tips on how to survive wild animal attacks, or pose questions like, should you wipe off your sweat? Applying this strategy to your faceless YouTube videos in this niche is straightforward. Take our earlier video about the benefits of drinking water, for example. The title could be as simple as 7 hidden benefits of drinking water daily, or 7 things they don't want you to know about drinking water. Alternatively, explore question-based titles like, what exactly happens to your body when you drink water? Or, is drinking water actually as good for you as they say? Using AI to generate title ideas is another option. For instance, in ChatGPT, you can ask the AI to create a list of YouTube titles about the benefits of drinking water. Even if you don't use the AI-generated titles directly, they can serve as inspiration for crafting your unique title. As for the thumbnail, draw inspiration from examples like this, adapting and personalizing them to suit your video's content. Remember, you don't have to reinvent the wheel. Building on proven strategies can enhance the visibility and appeal of your content. Step 7. Thumbnail editing. To craft eye-catching thumbnails like the ones in the infographic and information niche, you can leverage free tools such as Canva and source different elements from websites like Raw Pixel and Pexels. For instance, in creating the thumbnail with cups of water, I used VC Easy. By searching cup of water in their free images, I found various options to choose from. After downloading 3 different cups of water with varying water levels, I headed to Canva. In Canva, I initiated a new project by searching for a YouTube thumbnail, letting Canva automatically set the correct size. I imported the cups of water, added the text, and voila, the thumbnail was ready. The key is to experiment and find what works for you. Remember, the most crucial aspect is to model what's already working. By observing successful channels in your niche and emulating their strategies, you can create thumbnails that are visually appealing and likely to attract clicks. So, whether you're adding subtle touches or keeping it simple, stay inspired by proven approaches in your niche. If you found value in our exploration of AI's potential, don't forget to pivot that cursor and hit the like button. And if you haven't done so already, why not consider subscribing? It's your golden ticket to staying in the loop on all things Pivot Online. Thank you for being a vital part of our community. Thank you for watching. Until next time, this is Pivot Online, signing off.